Hello viewers, welcome to Math Park. In our park today we have a special guest Sonali and we are going to have a good conversation about what's the difference between a virtual school and its benefits and what are its drawbacks. So here we go. I would like Sonali to introduce herself. Though I know we both are colleagues, I joined Podar on 5th September 2018 and she was working quite before and she was the one who made me comfortable over there, right? And a very good friend, हमारा staff room का दोस्त, सब कुछ, a very good teacher. She teaches business studies and she is very good with teenagers, I must say. And now let her introduce herself. Yes, Sonali, go ahead, please.
Thank you, Manisha ma'am. It's a real pleasure to be there on your platform, which is doing an amazing job. Math Park is something I would first confess that I am absolutely no math person, I would say. Though I had taken math till 12th standard, I am basically a graduate and a postgraduate in commerce. So math numbers is something that I really like because accounting is something that I was teaching for a very long time. But math and the linear equations that you teach, I have actually been able to pick up few things from your Math Park. So that is one kudos to you. You have been doing an amazing job. And now coming back to me, I am an business studies teacher at Podar International School for the last 8 years. I teach AS and A-level and IGCSE. And that's it. I mean, I am just as passionate teacher as you are, just we have a different in subject. I am a business studies teacher, but equally passionate, and I really love the work that I'm doing.
What do you think we have, both of us are bonded together? Something that both of us are together. What is that you find in me? Because I find in you like a person like who can immediately connect. So like
same. I mean, for that, if I had, this is what I miss in an online platform. I would have done the same pinch to you. This is one thing that I immediately, you're one person who have that vibe around, that positive vibe around. I mean, you teach mathematics and you work around that positives around. So that is one thing that is very evident in you. You would immediately make friends. You would immediately connect with people. You would come up with such an experience, wide, vast. I'm sure it's 27 to 28 years of experience that you have. Yes. And it shows the way that you speak with people around, first with teachers, and I'm sure with the same is with when you speak with your students.
Before we start to the topic, you know, when we were interacting a day before in a meeting, and when some of the teachers says that Manisha ma'am के साथ तो motherly figure है, मुझे लगा कि बाबा मैं तो बूढ़ी हो गई. But then I think it is because many people say, Radha says I am her second mom. Maybe that could be there.
Absolutely. I mean, you're a young mom, ma'am. Young mom-in-law, rather. I am always awestruck with that. So don't feel age. I mean, for you, age is just a number, man.
Okay, thank you. Let's go with the topic, Sonali. Basically, now we know that almost 1.5 years, and yeah, we are with this virtual school. What do you think? What is the difference between a virtual and online school? What are the difficulties we as a teacher are facing, and what are the difficulties students are facing?
Oh my God, it's a long debate. It has been a long debate ever since we started. We moved from physical to online. I was telling it to somebody a day before, the transition from physical to online was very easy. Why? Because it was convenient. Students realize that all that they have to do is to get up even at just a minute before their school timing, slog in the bed and yet mark their attendance. So for them, initially it was fun. All that they have to do is to sit in the room and they were waiting that maybe the numbers were rising and they were waiting that maybe they'll get back. But when it became a part of the schooling, I'm sure there was a complacency that had set in. There was an hesitancy in terms of switching on the video, missing their friends. So we have seen all. I mean, when we go back to online classes, I'm sure, ma'am, you would relate to me with that. We have seen it all. Children not switching on their videos, not answering. And the moment you ask them a question, they would exit from a meeting. So we have seen it all.
Yeah.
However, what I feel is now that we are almost in a process of getting back to school, I think the transition from an online to physical would be far more difficult what it had been initially.
Actually.
Because this is comfort. For them, it is a comfort. Keeping besides the point that they miss school, they miss friends, they miss the social interaction, but yet it's a convenience. So convenience to discipline is going to be really difficult. Getting up early, catching up a bus.
Even I feel, when I'll have to go to school, I used to get up at 4 o'clock. do all the things, rest,
Imagine.
and then move. And now at 7:30 is fine for me. 8 o'clock class is
Absolutely. 4 o'clock is a midnight for us. For
and
most of us, 4,
7:30
4 o'clock in the morning is midnight.
Yeah, 8 o'clock is first class, so I have to get up at 7:30. In break time, quick breakfast, and everything is going fast. So this is the thing which is easy for students. Maybe that traveling time is saved, but don't you think that this, even though the traveling time is saved, the students are not utilizing the time that they get at home properly, right? They're not utilizing the
Absolutely.
time.
Absolutely. But we can't blame them also, ma'am. If we understand it from that aspect, with 1 year and a half in the same room blocked in front of a screen, that is a pain for them as well. And we just have to teach a subject. They have to study around 6 to 7 subjects. So if we sit, I mean, we have children we are moms as well. I mean, rather than after being a ma'am, we are mom. So we see that it is difficult for them being stuck to that 14 to 15 inch of screen throughout. So yes, it is difficult. I'm sure they are not able to make as much use of the time as they are saving. Yeah,
Yeah,
there
that's
is a
true.
flip
Yeah,
side to it.
it is difficult, but then this is what is going to have a trouble, when they actually come to school, right? The main thing they are
Correct.
missing is, yeah, the friends they are missing maybe, and because of that, what happens is in between they want to, disturb the class, unmute, they talk, and again in the Google Meet we don't have that platform of muting everyone. Okay, in spite of you ask them
Absolutely.
to put the camera on, they are not doing so, as you said. As soon as we ask the question, they are moving out. All these things are happening. True, definitely. बट देन वन थिंग आई मिस सोनाली आई मस्ट से, वो जो क्लास में एंटर करके जो गुड मॉर्निंग मैम वाला था वो नहीं है. अभी हम एंटर करते हैं,
Absolutely.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, ऑलमोस्ट 20-30 गुड मॉर्निंग्स, इन दैट फ्यू सेकंड्स आर गोइंग. वो जो था वो तो मिस कर रहे हैं एक साथ.
मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, अभी असेंबली हुई हमारी, आपने बहुत अच्छा सा स्पीच दिया. कैसा होता था पहले, लोग ताली बजाते थे एंड यू गेट दैट मोमेंट. अब क्या होता है, दिल पुट अ थम्स अप, दिल पुट इट अ कमेंट. वो जो बच्चों के लिए, आई एम थिंकिंग फ्रॉम अ किड्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, दे आरंट गेटिंग दैट अपलॉड व्हिच दे डिजर्व. आई मीन दे वुड परफॉर्म सो वेल in an online platform they're performing, but we aren't giving them a huge round of applause that we would give them had that they performed in an assembly in a school hall. So I'm sure they are,
They are
it
missing.
is, if they are missing, I mean, if you put that into a balance, they are missing more than what they are gaining. And what I feel is that after this cancellation of a board exam, that seriousness of a board exam which we grew up with, I mean,
That is
just
so
a
true.
year before there was a pressure of that IGCSE and an exam, so that also got diluted. Now they know that it is so easy. I mean, if there is something like corona or a pandemic, it is easy that they will have to miss their boards also. So
Correct,
yes, it has diluted that line. That line has blurred in terms of that seriousness and the studies.
correct. Yeah. So we are looking forward actually when we will be meeting them, and that bonding every day. Students talk about that, ma'am. We want to. I remember one student in grade 6 saying, "Ma'am, I have thousands of memories of physical school." I said, "Definitely, I have. I miss that staff room ka chat. I miss that having the snacks in the canteen. Everything we are missing." See, with that,
Correct, correct.
talking to each other, sitting, that relaxes you. How much you talk on a online platform, उतना मजा है ही नहीं है,
है
unless
ही
you
नहीं.
are
And
physically. And that's even if you take 4-5 periods, आप अगर स्टाफ रूम में आते हो, थोड़ा सा हंसी मजाक कर लिया, that refreshes you. That refreshes you. So that's
absolutely, throughout the day
what we
it's
are
there.
seeing and seeing.
एंड अगर हम लोग स्कूल की बात कर रहे हैं तो grade 1 से grade 12 तक के लिए, तो grade 1 के बच्चे, I mean, if you're thinking from primary or pre-primary for that matter, they are missing the most. I mean, they just don't know. They haven't been to a school ever. So all that they know is that ma'am and school is on a laptop. I have a niece of 4 years. She would say that my school is there. I mean, this is, she wouldn't call it a laptop. She would call it as a school. Imagine, I mean, this is how. So it is, I mean, for them, for 12th, 10th and 12th, I really, my heart goes out to them. This is their last year of school, the year which, when they seal the memories in their heart, they are not able to do it. I mean, and I'm sure this is, if you think it from a student point of view, it is bad. Similarly, from a teacher point of view as well.
Everything. For student point of view, of course, it is very bad. They need to share that peer pressure thing, sharing, teaching each other, clearing their doubts there itself. And when you go to the class, the students are asking their doubt. We can wait there, clear them, solve in their notebook. That all makes difference. And then
Absolutely.
here, though we are doing plenty of activities in the class, that hands-on activities are not happening here. Children
Absolutely.
actually looking
Absolutely.
into any difficulty they are finding, they are asking us then and there. That is not happening. So we wish that we should meet soon, fast, let this pandemic go. But I must
But trust.
say, okay, let me ask you, like, what do you think are the benefits? We have seen the, loopholes, like what is happening and all. What do you think are the benefits of this online schooling?
Oh my God, it's saving a lot of time. I know that I enter my class at 8. At 8:05 sharp, I am there with my board. And I'm for sure, I'm one of them that was going to miss my laptop, apart from the other teachers, who's going to miss my laptop when I'm teaching in a physical school. Now I think I have lost that hang of teaching on a whiteboard, because this whiteboard gives me a privilege of calling all of them, asking them to write, collaborate, which was difficult in a physical school. So I save time. I meet, if at all children participate, it is a collaborative. Teaching has always been a collaborative thing. I mean, no matter how good teacher you are, if children don't participate, it falls flat.
Also,
So on online platform, it becomes a collaboration, at least becomes easier.
okay.
Then like a platform like yours, YouTube, giving them, I'm able to share that immediately, so they get different perspective to a same topic from a different perspective as well. So I think overall it is a good thing. Just that maybe if we can come up with a hybrid thing where we have a physical as well as an online session, maybe things will become better. I
Actually,
mean, this
that's
is what.
really a good point that you said. Both the platforms are used. That is definitely going to help. And what we can see that in the physical school, once the things are taught again, you have to reteach it, right? But this YouTube, as you say, that I found is the best medium to store the things, and it is going to be
Correct.
large number of audience are able to see, where actually the students could choose the teacher. They have the privilege to choose the teacher in online schooling. If they don't
Absolutely.
understand, in a school, one teacher teaches, and maybe some students may not be finding easy with Manisha ma'am, right? So they can go to the YouTube and search for another teacher, okay, who can clear their concepts. Sometimes it same happens with the doctors also, right? My mother-in-law said, if
Absolutely.
I go to this doctor, only going to that doctor it cures. Actually, without
Correct.
taking the medicine, it's like that, right? So it all psychology also matters here, of course, definitely.
I have my neighbor who follows your channel so well, and she was the one that I study from, a maths teacher from a Podar International School. Imagine, so you have a reach. You just don't teach Podar International School Nehru children. You teach children who are going to other schools. So I'm sure that is how the reach of YouTube and online is. So that is how.
Yeah, and then that's what I'm trying. I'm trying to build a concept which would be useful for all the boards actually, for all the boards,
And
CBSE, ICSE, and IGCSE. Though and
I see that your videos are absolutely planned, part 1, part 2, part 3, and it's done from the basic to the beginners to the intermediate. So, and then the 5 seconds linear multiplication, it actually could if somebody really follows you thoroughly, they would understand that how quickly can they do it. I mean, if you can do it, might as well they will also do it. So this is definitely one advantage of an online platform, and with a channel like
yeah,
yours.
though this channel will definitely continue, but we are definitely going to miss this unless and until we meet that approach. The students, and I remember students saying, "Ma'am, Manisha, ma'am, if you are taking continuously teaching, we want one free period." So then I used to say, if you do this correct, if I give you this surprise test, you're going to go this correct. Yes, I'll be taking you for a basketball. So at least once in
Absolutely.
the 6 months, this eighth, those who are in 10th standard now, when I was teaching them to 8th standard, okay, every
Correct.
ma'am, free period, ma'am, free period. Most of them miss करते हैं. Then to last year 9th standard I had a student पते इधर भी online schooling में भी उनको free period चाहिए. Now it is online schooling में free period में then also we have to search for some online games. Of course, quizzes is helping a lot. That builds the
Correct.
concept. Beyond teaching, also they want something online, other games.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
so definitely this is good, but we are missing hope. Let us hope that we
Hopefully.
meet soon, right? What
Yes.
would be the message that you would like to give to particularly these teenagers now? And I think
Make the most of
more
it.
of 6th standard onwards, they are more into YouTube than the younger ones. That is what I feel. So, what
Correct.
message
Correct.
you would like to give them?
See, they must have been getting a lot of gyan from everyone around. But the only thing is that this is not going to come back. Today, 29th July, 8 p.m. is not going to come back to them at all. So The idea is make the most of the time that you have. There is, I mean, you will certainly miss, you are missing, we all understand. But the idea is that whatever time that you have, whatever that you're doing, make the most of it, because this is what is this reality. So I think accepting the reality and making the most of it is something that children have to do it, and they do it really fast. For them, adaptation is really quicker as compared to older people. So I think if we can do it, children will certainly do it.
And we
That's my only.
definitely they'll do, and we also have learned lot from children. Don't you think so?
Correct,
Technology, though we
absolutely,
are doing it very good. There were many students teaching, ma'am, this is what you have to do.
certainly,
Now we are tech
absolutely,
savvy. Now we have become quite tech savvy, but children's definitely they have helped us. Okay, because they are
absolutely,
more
absolutely.
smarter and they know how to use the technology properly. So
And
thank
they
you.
are acceptable to the fact that if the teacher is finding it difficult, I have seen children actually helping out and asking me to relax, ma'am, never mind, you can rejoin in. So they would give me a suggestion, something like that. And that's
They will give.
really
So
touches.
today also, when I was, teaching, like, on whiteboard, I could not, on the whiteboard which this Google Meet has, you cannot copy paste there.
Absolutely,
You
yes,
cannot copy paste the text like we are using the snip and sketch and they are doing, but simultaneously we want to do on that where this board can be shared with everyone. Then one student came up, ma'am, use Microsoft board, Microsoft Online, that
yes,
can be shared. See, every day we are learning. Every day we are
absolutely,
learning. And this learning
absolutely.
should continue. This learning should
And
continue. Mr.
that is what children are also picking up when they see that teachers who were absolutely not at all familiar to technology have picked up. So that is helping the children as well. I mean, they know that if they can do it, might as well we can also do it. So it
Correct.
is, we teach them through multiple ways. One of them is by action. So I'm sure it is helpful.
Definitely, it is helpful. Thank you, Sonali, for coming over here and spending time
And
with
thank
us.
you for the
And thank
yes,
you,
it's a
viewers,
pleasure.
for watching. Please watch it properly. Though it is lengthy, do watch the conversation. That will you may feel like you have come back to school for a while, and you are actually seeing two teachers together. Thank you.
Yes.